We need to find some fresh apples today. Can you help me pick the reddest ones? Let's see who can spot them first. Make sure you stay close to the cart.
Look at these! Can we get the ones with the stars? They look so delicious. Mom, look! It's the mega toy aisle! Can we go see it? They have the brand new race cars! Wow! It's incredible! It is so cool! Hello? Is anyone there? Mom, I think I'm lost.
Leo? Where are you? Leo, please answer me.
Mommy, can we please go home now? This place is really scary.
Lily, you need to stay close to me. We don't want you getting lost.
I don't know where to go. Everything looks so different here. I just want to go home. Mom! Look at that awesome robot right there! Can I play the coolest toy ever?
I can't find anyone. Where did everybody go? Lily, stay very close to me. Oh no, I can't find anywhere. Where did everybody go? Lily, stay very close to me.
Hey there, buddy. Are you looking for something? It's okay. Are you lost? Don't worry. We'll find your parents. Let's get you some help, okay?
I can't find my mommy. We were looking at the toys. Can you help me find her?
Hey there, buddy. Don't be sad. It's okay. We'll find your mommy. I'm gonna help you. Let's get you back to her, okay?
Attention shoppers. We have a young boy named Henry. He is waiting at the help desk.
I can't believe we finally found it. This is going to change everything. I have so much hope now.
Mom! Over here! Mom, I missed you!
Oh, Henry, I was so worried about you. I am just so glad that you are both safe. Please don't ever wander off like that again.
I'm really sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to scare you. I promise I'll be more careful next time.
Oh, Henry.
I am so glad that you are okay. I was so scared when you disappeared.
Don't ever do that again.
Remember, the best part of the adventure is sharing it together. So take lots of pictures and enjoy every moment.
Thank you so much for your help.